Yo, what's up everybody, it's your boy here, Abdul from Tech 112. On this video guys of today, I gotta bring to you Elari Nano. This is an Elari Nano speaker and this is its impression. So I thought that I could just grab this speaker because I saw it at Sound and Vision.
Tiny speaker which I just found it here and it captured me, and I just wanted to share with you guys. It's such amazing kind of stuff, and well, we have it here on the studio, so when I just reach home I'll just drop a video.
I was there at the place. It's amazing. You guys should go and visit. If you're in Russia, you can go and visit that place. They have great gadgets, very great and impressive gadgets. So this is an Elari Nano bit, and it states less more. So we're gonna explore what's inside Elari Nanobit. This kind of speaker gives you 2 hours of charge, and it's a 55.3 grams. Yeah, 55.3 grams inside it, because it's small, it's tiny, not that like the one which I was using, the bigger one. This is very tiny, and I find it's very robust and it's amazing. And if you have two Elari Nanobit speaker, they make a good wireless stereo, which is amazing. So this is a kind of great speaker. I thought that I could just share with you guys so as you can get that that kind of feeling that there's a speaker which is very tiny and it's budget and it's very great. So this is an Elari speaker, Nano one. It gives you 10 hours of battery. So you get 2 hours of charge and you get 10 hours of standby battery. Not only standby by using it, listening to music, going for party and all that. But this is not such a big kind of speaker which gives you big bass. But on the studio like this one, which we have it here, you get those kind of great kind of ingredients which are amazing. So this is something which is very great, and I thought that I could just share with you guys. So for further info, let's get started.
So first thing first you need to do is opening up the Elari Nanobit speaker. So we're gonna open it. So we need to open this kind of stuff here, and we need to peel off the back of this pack. Yeah, the back of the pack, because it's up front. I changed the position, so I need to switch it on like this way, and we have the Elari Nano speaker out of the box. So let me just put the box down there. So we have the Elari Nano speaker. So this is the Elari Nano speaker, and this is the packaging. First of all, I'll go deep inside the packaging. Let me put the Elari Nano speaker down. Now this is the packaging of it. On the packaging you get lot of kind of stuff. You get a USB cable, you get the manuals, you get a string, which is amazing. So this is the string, this is the USB. But the USB, as you see guys, this kind of USB is very small USB. It's not that much high end, because yeah, it's tiny speakers. I don't know why did they do this, because I don't like that. I love USB which is a little bit longer. And another kind of stuff which is amazing, we get the manuals. These are the manuals. So you get the manuals. I know some of you guys, you may read it, and some of you you may not read it. So it's not that much such a big deal. But the real thing here, we need to test the Nano Elari speaker.
I'll turn it on again. Okay, I have the device here, the Nexus. We need to pair on the smartphone. So first thing first, hit for the Bluetooth. I don't need to teach you that, guys. I know some of you know it. And yeah, since I connected it, it just connects. As you can see, we have the Elari Nano speaker. So the Elari Nano speaker right now, it's good and it rocks. So let us play some music. Okay, Google, play some music.
Here's some music on Spotify.
Okay, we're playing on Spotify. So I'm playing directly from Spotify. Yeah. And it's something which is very robust, and it's amazing because, yeah.
You're the light, you're the night, you're the color of my blood. You're the cure, you're the pain, you're the only thing I wanna touch. Never knew that it could mean
So this the real thing about the speaker is that the bass is very fixed and it's very great. Sometimes it overlaps the bass and you get those kind of not them kind of good kind of music, but the only thing which you need to fix on this kind of speaker, you need to have an equalizer on your device, so as you can control the equalizer. If you don't have, well, it may be hard a little bit, but yeah, you need to have a little bit of yeah, its base is something which I like it, and it's easy to carry, and you can just go with it anywhere. Even you can just put it on your hand, and nobody knows that you have a speaker. Something which is very ridiculously amazing. And if you have two speakers like for this Elari, they make a good stereo. But I didn't take two of them. I just had one. But soon as possible, we'll be getting two of them. So as in the studio, we have two stereo speakers paired, and they're amazing because I like it. It's very tiny and small, easy to carry. Go with it anywhere. You get that music go on the go. Actually, we're jumping to the real conclusion. Do you really need this kind of speaker? Well, for the people who think that it's they wanna have a speaker like this one, I give it go. But for the people who don't wanna have this speaker like this one, I can tell you buy two of them. You know why? Because if you have two of them, you make a good high-end speaker, and they're very good at using Google Assistant. I find it's very great. So it's kind of easy using even Google Assistant. What is the weather of today?
In Russia today, there'll be thunderstorms with a forecast high of 85 and a low of 67.
So
Right
you
now, it's 71 and mostly cloudy.
Okay, thank you. Actually, you need an umbrella. But jumping in to the conclusion, the real thing about the conclusion is that the Elari Nano speaker, it's very great. You can carry it anywhere, easy to carry, and it's a budget. It costs only $35. Yeah, $35. You get this kind of speaker, and it's very great. I'll leave all the links down below so you can go and check them out. They're amazing, sound and vision, and they have great kind of products. So it's such amazing kind of stuff. Exploring this kind of tech, small tech, it's very great. So I think you guys, you have enjoyed the video and you got a clue about the Elari Nano speaker. Though I didn't show you the USB that much, and the USB I will replace it with another kind of USB. Yeah, that's it. So thank you guys for watching. If you find this video very interesting, don't hesitate to drop a thumbs up. If you find this video not that much interesting, let me know in the comments down below what's your thoughts. And another kind of stuff, if you didn't subscribe to my YouTube channel, now is your time to subscribe on my YouTube channel because it will be very amazing. We're on our journey to get that 1,000 subscribers. If you show some love, it will be very great. So thank you guys for watching, and I'll be catching you guys on the next one. Peace.